In this video, I'm going to be giving you my Wave AI Note Taker review. Can it replace manual note taking? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Wave AI Note Taker is an app that uses artificial intelligence to transcribe and summarize spoken content. Think meetings, lectures, interviews, so you don't have to frantically scribble notes. The idea is that it handles the heavy lifting, letting you stay more present and engaged. In practice, Wave can do a solid job. It often captures speech with good accuracy, depending on audio quality and clarity, segments the transcripts and highlight key points or action items. The summaries are concise, letting you skim and revisit the important stuff quickly. It also lets you search within transcripts, tag parts, and export notes to other formats or platforms. Now, that's a huge convenience over having to type everything manually or sift through long audio files. That being said, it's not flawless. Accuracy depends heavily on the environment. Background noise, speaker accents, multiple people speaking at once, poor mic quality, all that can reduce transcript quality. Some words may be misheard or left out. The summarization may also miss nuance or context that a human taking notes might catch. Subtle emphasis, tone, or implied points sometimes slip through the cracks. Now, another limitation is that the AI may not always understand domain-specific lingo or jargon, which means it can misinterpret niche topics or technical discussions. Also, why it's great for capture and summary, the act of manual note taking has benefits: the mental processing, memory reinforcement, and ability to annotate or emphasize things on the fly. Now, Wave AI Note Taker is a powerful assistant and can relieve much of the burden of transcription and summarization, but it's not yet a full replacement for manual note taking, especially in complex nuances or technical discussions. Use it as a complement, not a substitute.